transformation is radically transforming the global enterprise. It's about shifting from the traditional way of doing business to doing business involving more technology.
The industry as a whole today, we're becoming very client-centric, and that is driving a demand for a lot of new capabilities to be developed in a short span of time. Now that's driving up demand for skills like RPA, automation, machine learning.
At UST, what we are trying to do is to address the digital transformation across the whole pyramid of the organization. We are looking at enabling the technology skills of the people, so they have the niche skills on artificial intelligence or cloud or security or machine learning.
So UST works exclusively with Fortune 100 and Global 1000 company, and they demand a lot of technology talent, and the ask is always, many a times it's very immediate too. You may get a week to ramp up the team, or you may get 2 weeks to ramp up the team depending on what the customer is asking for.
So it's always important for you to sense the need and get the capability before your competitor does. And this requires a whole nother set of skills to be brought into these landscapes.
It's very important for corporations to adapt and understand and train its employees. Real-time learning is extremely key.
The whole paradigm is shifting from taking time off to learn to learning all the time. Pluralsight provides me with the cutting-edge technology. From a content point of view, Pluralsight is able to add features like the skill path.
I've been using the Pluralsight platform for quite some time now. I really like Pluralsight specifically for its content. I think it's got very great content, world-class content. And I also like that they bring new features in, like the IQ test feature, which I found really useful. And I also like the way they focus on the user experience and make sure that the site is working flawlessly and I can concentrate on my studies.
One cool feature which I found in Pluralsight is skill IQ test. It will be a 5-minute short test. Based on the results, it will recommend a few courses for the better.
I manage a team of 13 members who are working in different technologies. We have gone through one feature that is provided by Pluralsight, that is the channel creation. We can create a channel so that testing team can cater to their requirements. Channel feature is a good feature that I would suggest in Pluralsight.
Pluralsight played a pivotal role in enabling us to take that core team of web developers and training them across the mean stack and essentially transitioning them from just front-end developers to full-stack developers. And Pluralsight gives us the ability to therefore ramp up our teams on demand.